Because whatever the reason for your cat's inappropriate peeing and spraying, I have a very simple solution. And it will finally enable you to stop your cat peeing and spraying outside the litter box for good. This professionally created and proven system will work, whether your cat has just started peeing where they shouldn't, or if they've been doing it for years. Create the happy, contented and loving cat you've always wanted. When you have a happy cat, it will be a pleasure to have around the house, rather than a smelly nuisance. Save huge amounts of money on cleaning supplies. When your cat is peeing in the litter box, you'll no longer need to spend money repeatedly cleaning carpets, floors and furniture, saving you hundreds of dollars a year, and possibly more. Dramatically reduce your stress levels. We all know how stressful it can be when you're constantly worrying about when and where it's going to happen next, while cleaning the same spots multiple times can be extremely annoying. Leave the house with no worries. Once your cat has been trained to pee where it's supposed to, and nowhere else, you'll finally be able to leave the house without worrying about what you might find when you return home, and say goodbye to inappropriate peeing and spraying forever. So, do you want to finally eradicate your cat's urination problem once and for all? Click here. http:// How to get rid of cat pee smell. Info Proco.